My name is Vandewalle. I'm from the UFZ in Germany, and I'm very pleased today on behalf of all the partners of our project to present you what we have done so far. So at the beginning, I would like to introduce you to a few facts about our project. So it's not a research per se project, but it's a coordination and action project funded by the FP7 program, and it started officially in November 2010, but practically actually in the spring 2011, and it will end in April 2014. It's coordinated by the UFZ, and it's composed of 18 leading institutions in Europe on biodiversity and ecosystem services, research and governance. So that is the partnership of our project, and so it's very broad within Europe, and it's about 40 experts altogether. So what is the context of our project? Well, obviously we are in a deep shit, as it has been already summarized before, and it's actually come from the realization that much of the available science and experience is actually not being effectively used, and that interfaces between science and policy must be significantly improved. So then the general aim of the project is actually to better link our biodiversity and ecosystem services knowledge, and to link this knowledge to biodiversity governance across Europe. And how do we plan to do this? We plan on developing and testing a prototype of network of knowledge, which we call Biodiversity Knowledge Network. And this to inform policy making and economic actors in the field of biodiversity and ecosystem services. But first of all, what is a network of knowledge? A network of knowledge is a concept that's been designed by the EPBRS through first a workshop and then a concept note in 2009. And the idea behind was to bring together existing organizations and processes in a broad and flexible way. And the main purpose was to improve the science policy interface. So then we came up with some kind of prototype of what we think what a NOC will look like. So it's a draft. We finished drafting last week, so there are many challenges. And we are here today, and we have been working yesterday in a special session to have a broad consultation and have feedback of as much as possible from the community that we call the biodiversity community. So first of all, we need to come back to the definition of